Hot feature release with Navix Health. We are introducing Navix Intelligence. This is years in the making, and we are excited to introduce Navix Intelligence, the first conversational interface known to the behavioral health space. Let's jump in and talk about Navix Intelligence. As you can see, this screen is accessible in every medical record. The medical record is no longer an old filing cabinet. Now it has intelligence. You can have conversations with it. It can have conversations with you. Let's jump in and let's do authorizations AI. So what this feature does is this feature now is ingesting the whole medical record of this client, and it is going to build us a perfect UR script with all the information that your UR team needs to have that conversation with the carrier to get you more coverage. This is the first of its kind with Navix Health. We tend to be leading the AI race and ahead of our competition, and this is just one step closer. So right now we'll jump in and we'll just wait for this to ingest the information, and I'll show you the output. And there is the output. So as you can see here, it is going through this client's medical record. It's giving us a brief overview about the climate, the treatment justifications, progress overview, needs for continued coverage, the impact of the safety of the client, cost effectiveness, and the conclusion. It also places the client in what ASAM criteria that the client meets to giving your UR team all that information. Now, on top of that, so we have these pre-built-in assistants, which there's about 22 more coming, and now we can just have a conversation. So we could ask, what medications is this client taking? So there you have. It's showing you all the medications. We could also ask it, do you recommend any medication changes? So there is the output. So now it is going through the medications he is on, and it's also recommending some maybe changes and how to collaborate to better treat that client. Let's ask another question. Please give me a risk score using Medicare standards. So there you go. It's giving you the information about the client. It's showing you risk factors about the client, and it's also showing you risk score. Now let's ask it to help us build treatment plans and goals. So you can see it's talking about different options for medication management, different approaches for psychotherapy, behavioral health interventions, how to support the client in a better manner. So as you can see, this is the first conversational interface. You can use your own prompt engineering. You can have a conversation. You can ask it to make suggestions. It can do chart auditing, chart summary, example. So this one's giving us a chart summary about the client. We also have a bunch of medication assistants coming and a whole gamut of different assistants coming to help you do your job better, more efficiently, and more accurately. We also have chart audit that goes through all of the documentation in the medical record, scores each note, provides you information if there's not enough ASAM information, etc., and also shows you how you can better increase your documentation to stay in compliance with regulations and the insurance payers for when they come knocking. So there's a beautiful summary of the patient. So that is just the start of Navix Intelligence. This is just the breaking ground, and we're so excited to release this to the behavioral health field. And we do commit to you to always be leading the way in AI since we've done from the founding of our company, and will continue to stay in front. Thank you so much, and we look forward to serving you as a customer someday.